So as you're browsing the web, you might want to open up multiple web pages together. So in order to do that, you can go on to the top right here, and let's say I want to access Wikipedia. So I'm just going to type in wikipedia.com right here. And once I press enter, the Wikipedia page opens up. So I can go ahead on to different pages. Let's say, for example, I'm going to search about what is computer. So I'm just going to type computer, and there you go. There's the computer page. But let's say I want another tab right here. I want a Google search. So I'm going to go around and type in computer right here, just like this. And you can see that this is another page that popped up. And let's say I want another page right here. That's doc.google.com so that I can access my Google Docs. So now you can see that I have 3 web pages right here. So there is a computer tab right here. I'm just going to close this for a while. And over here, you can see that I got Wikipedia, I got computer, and I got Google Docs. So now 3 of the web pages have been started simultaneously, just like this. So that's one way to work around with multiple tabs. You click the plus button on the top and you can add in tabs. Another way to add in tab is by pressing the shortcut key, ctrl T on your keyboard, or command T if you're using a Mac, and then a new tab is added. So you can go around and then search out, let's say, for example, I want to search for Adobe right here. Then you can see that another website has opened up. So another way to add a new tab is to go up over here on the top right, click on the 3 button icon, and then what you can do is you can go around and click on new tab from over here as well. So many ways to organize new tabs, as you can see. So if you want to adjust this out, so for this one, I'm just going to open up seats.google.com right here, and then it opens up that web page, as you can see. So now the tabs are in certain order. So if I want to change the order of the tab, I can click and drag the tab right here, and that's it. That's how you can reorder tabs, as you can see. So you want to have, let's say, Google Docs up in the front, you can simply click and drag that out right here, and then that is how it works. If you want to close out a tab, then simply close out the tab right here. Another way to work around with tabs is, let's say, for example, you have this web page right here, and let's say I want to open up this Britannica page of computer history in a separate tab. What I can do is I can right click, and here you see that there's an option, open link in new tab. And once you do that, you can see that the tab opens up besides it, just like this. So you can see that the Britannica encyclopedia has opened up, and there's the computer detail right here. So similarly, you can do the same over here. So there's different options, as you can see. So what you can simply do is you can right click and open the link in new tab. And what happens is that it opens the link in new tab. So you can close out the tabs you don't want, and then you can open it up in new tab and so forth, and arrange out the tab by dragging it out. And that is how you can use tab inside of Google Chrome. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.